Greetings and welcome to another presentation from Mastermind Marketing Solutions, your social, mobile, local, and global solution. Today we are discussing mobile marketing for small businesses, and I do have a lot to cover in a short period of time, so stick with me for about 15 minutes and we will go as quickly as possible through all this. What you're going to discover today in this presentation is an overview of the mobile marketplace with some mind-blowing statistical data that you really need to know and understand. Also, how this fast-moving mobile revolution is affecting your business and why it's important to you, as well as how you can be first to market with these new mobile technologies that will help you to attract new customers, make more sales, and develop a strong community around your business. You know, your market has already gone mobile. In fact, the New York Times said that mobile marketing is the most powerful media ever invented. And this is coming from a newspaper publisher who has been one of the first to jump on board in this mobile revolution. Right now, there are more mobile phones on this planet than there are televisions. That's actually amazing. So let's take a look at smartphone usage as of January of 2013. There are currently, or as of January, 133.7 million smartphone users in the United States. That represents a 57% saturation of the overall mobile phone market. Of those users, 55% of them use a mobile web browser. 75% almost use a text messaging service or use text messaging to communicate. 62% use downloadable mobile apps. 91% of all Americans have their mobile device within reach 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. As a business owner, can you afford not to be paying attention to this? 3 out of 5 searches now are done on a mobile device, or they're done using a mobile phone. And here's a mind boggler, 70% of all mobile searches result in action within 1 hour's time. That's some type of a buying behavior. Maybe they're clicking to call you. Maybe they're calling to make a reservation. Maybe they're clicking the map function to get to your location, all within an hour's time. So how are they going to find you? How are they going to find your business? Well, let's take a look at that. Number one, it's important that you have a mobile-friendly website. Obviously, mobile is hot and it's growing every single day. So when people want what you have to offer, they search for you with their smartphones. Mobile websites convert potential customers into paying customers much more effectively. So let's crank up your revenues. You know, the mobile web is the fastest growing communication channel in history. In fact, according to Eric Schmidt, the executive chairman of Google, the mobile web is now growing 8 times faster than the original first wave of online internet adoption. Absolutely amazing. Soon, the mobile web will be the #1 source of information in the world. So not having a mobile website is as good as saying, I don't want more customers. I don't want more income. No, we don't really want to pay attention to you, customer. You're not important to us. So people on the go and tourists use their smartphones to find places to shop, places to eat, places to visit. And of course, in certain places around the country, like right here in Sonoma County, California, the wine country, we get 7 million new visitors every single year. And they are all on those mobile phones. So having a mobile presence is really not an option anymore. Your customers can also be your brand advocates. 60% of mobile web viewers are more likely to review or recommend your business over a desktop viewer. And the reason for that is because it's just a lot easier on a mobile device. And younger customers especially actually prefer the mobile version of your website, right there in the palm of their hand. So this is really all about the art of not missing out on business. Remember, your customers want to interact with you just as much as you want to interact with them. So a mobile optimized version of your site is a must for any business that cares about its customers. Not having one is missed income and missed opportunities. Even small businesses, and a lot of small businesses are going mobile. You can't afford not to anymore. So stay competitive. Stay in the game here with mobile. Now let's talk about mobile apps. Really quickly, I just want to talk about the distinction between mobile apps and mobile websites. They are two different animals. A mobile website is really for anyone who's searching on the web using a mobile device, because your site shows up on the mobile device optimized for the device. A mobile app is actually resident software that's housed on the mobile phone, so you have the ability to stay on somebody's hip pocket or in their purse or in their pocket all day long. Mobile app downloads will reach 76.9 billion in 2014 and will generate $35 billion in sales. You can increase your customer engagement with mobile apps. You can be connected with your customers anywhere and anytime. Like I said, you're right there on their phone, right there in their hip pocket all the time. Customers can take advantage of your specials and your coupons. They can opt into your newsletter or your text message list for more information. They can tap to call or tap to order. You can tap for directions, tap right into the GPS. You can provide special content and options only to users of your mobile app. And there's so much more. We can't spend a lot of time with it right here in this short presentation, but there's a lot more that mobile apps can do. Now, granted, mobile web can do some of these things, but there's some things that the mobile web cannot do for you that a mobile app can. So having a mobile site and a custom app really benefits your business in a lot of different ways. For example, it provides a platform of social proof. You can share important information. You can share testimonials, client raves, get social with your customers. You can share videos and presentations right inside of your app. You can connect to all your social media outlets, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, Yelp, even right to your website as well. And you have a viral marketing feature from within the app with the Share This App feature where people can share it on Facebook, they can email it or text message it to a friend. Having a custom mobile business app connects you with your customers in some very unique ways, actually, that mobile web cannot do. For example, you have push notifications. And push notifications are basically like in-app instant messages where you can share specials, discounts, reminders, coupons. And what's really important to understand about this is that the view rate on a push notification, much like a text message, is 97%. And that number is 97% within 4 minutes or less versus the average of about 4% that you might be getting with your email list right now. So you also have constant branding. That little icon for your business is right there on someone's mobile phone, right on the page of their phone, on their device all the time. So having a custom app benefits your business by helping you to create a viral buzz. It helps people to share. You can build brand loyalty and customer loyalty. You can have loyalty options and check-in programs right inside of your app. You can promote your special events, your sales, and other types of promotions, grow your mailing list, and get instant feedback from your customers, while you also gain credibility with your customers. So a lot of the times we hear the question, well, how do you distribute your app once you have that app built? Well, first thing is that you're on the iTunes App Store and Google Play, which is the Android App Store, from the second the app is delivered and then approved on those platforms. You can also email it out to your current subscribers. You can use QR codes, these little black and white codes that you see here to the right. You can put those kind of codes that people can scan with their phones and go directly over to your app download page. You can put those on your bottles, on boxes, on bags, on anything that you do in print. In fact, if you still use ink, we strongly encourage you to include those in all of your newspaper ads, your flyers, your postcards, your mailers, table tents, menus, all your print advertising and promotions. You can, of course, share it on your Facebook page and let people download from there and send it to your text message list. And if you don't have a text message list, do get in touch with us because we can help you with that. And of course, your customers will also share it for you using that Share This App function that I mentioned that's built into these apps. So again, this is about the art of not missing out on business. There's cash in them, their mobile phones. So mobile marketing represents a great opportunity really for every small business these days. Your customers are on the move. They might be just around the corner from you, but will they know about you? Will they find you? So you can get those last-minute customers just by going mobile. So clearly the world is going mobile. In order to really compete, your business needs to be where your customers' eyes are focused, on their mobile devices. So you need a mobile-friendly website. You might need your own custom mobile app. You certainly need to be involved with text messaging, and of course you must have a social media presence, and that's a topic for a different video on another day. So when you use the right strategies, you have the ability to make it easier for your customers to find you. You attract more customers, and you attract the type of customer that tends to buy more and share more through social media, review, and other channels. You make it more fun to engage with your establishment, with your business, and you increase your bottom line profits. More customers, more sales, more people who buy more, and that's what it's all about, isn't it? But even if you have the knowledge, even if you understand this, you probably don't have the time to create your own mobile site, or you don't know who to talk to about creating a mobile site or a mobile application, and that's where we can come in and help you. So let us be your partner to create and manage all of your mobile marketing. We can do it all for you. Mastermind Marketing Solutions provides mobile applications, mobile web, text marketing, video marketing, social media marketing, even online desktop web development, and a lot of marketing consulting tips that we can give you as well in the process. So please do give us a call or visit us on our website, m3s.co. That's m3s.co. Call us at our Petaluma downtown office, 707-776-6911, or send us a text message, M3SMS, to the number 96362, and watch what happens. We'll show you how text message marketing works. Thank you a lot for your time and attention, and we do look forward to hearing from you.